Now, in the Parashat Truma, HaKadosh Baruch Hu tells Moshe Rabbeinu in chapter 27, in verse number 8, that everything that he's telling him to do, whether it's the menorah, the table, the mizbeach, all of the different mitzvot, he says, "Ta'aseh oto ka'asher er'a otcha ba'ar ken ya'asu." As you were shown on the mountain, so shall they do. Meaning, Hashem not only told him about these mitzvot, he showed him what they look like. And he says this multiple times, also in chapter 26, verse number 30, as you will have been shown on the mountain. So we see multiple times that HaKadosh Baruch Hu knew his creation and knew that sometimes we need to see proof. We need to see proof of concept. We need to see that what you mean in order to do what you want us to do.